Hello everyone, welcome back to Backpacker Story. So last weekend I thought why not take off Shivanasamudra Waterfall, and just like that Sunday noon at 12 I hit the road. While entering Shivanasamudra, you can spot the historic power plant that once supplied electricity to the world famous gold mine, the one and only KGF. Near the waterfall, I saw there was ample parking space and the falls were just 2 minutes walk from there. After reaching, I found there are 4 viewpoints in total. From 3 of them, people could enjoy the waterfall view, but the 4th one, which is the closest to the falls, was closed. And since it was weekend, the crowd was quite a lot too. So this part of the waterfall is called Gaganchukki. Meanwhile, I was super hungry, but that moment I saw a nearby restaurant. I knew I didn't feel like having chicken, paratha, Chinese or even tandoor. So there are many roadside shops, and trust me, that bhel puri looked more tempting to me. After finishing my snack, I headed towards Barachuki Falls. Both Barachukki and Gaganachukki together are called Shivanasamudra Falls. And guess what? The Kaveri River flowed along with me the whole way. I was secretly wishing to touch its water, and midway through the journey I finally got the chance. But by then a big mistake had already happened. I didn't check the time and the Barachukki waterfall had closed by 5 p.m. Apparently forest animals start coming out after that, so they shut the area early for safety reasons. Since I missed Barachukki, I went to another Gaganchukki viewpoint near Adara. From here also the view was equally beautiful, but the bad part was this place was quite dirty.